Wheezer here. I'm going to say a bunch of really cool words that make sense to a lot of people except me. Rizz, as in putting on the rizz. And yacht, gayat, yacht, oh, yacht, what am I doing? Oh, coquette, trust me, that's not a new word. I know several of them. I've seen them here at the con. Jimmy's mom is a coquette. Let him cook. Let him. Just cook. Skibbity? Skibbity. Hi, Skibbity. I'm gonna skibbity all over you until I throw up, which probably would make you skibbity on yourself. Okay. Sigma. Hello, Sigma. Sigma the sea monster. Delulu. Hi, Delulu. You're just really beautiful, Delulu. Not as hot as Jimmy's mama. Keep it up. Mugging. I just had a mugging. Yesterday I had a mugging, but then I had a vowel movement, and now I have a mugging. Okay, Pookie. Yeah, I'm really old. When I was a little Carl, there was a guy named Soupy Sales on TV, and he had a hand puppet named Pookie. And I don't think you give a shit. Okay. Kai Sanat. Kai Sanat, Sanat. Whatever will be, will be. All right, Carl Wheezer saying, finish your croissant. Bye.